Good morning. Well, I had a late night last night. Got that seal put in. I had a school board meeting and just different stuff, and couldn't get together with Dad till later tonight. So we were here till about 10:30 or later after my meeting, getting that in. But we got it done. It was, man, that tool was the ticket. Otherwise, there's no way we could have gotten that seal in without that tool. It just, there's no way. We had a heck of a time getting the old one out, but the new one actually went in really easy because we had the right tool. So there's a remnant part of it. And the other piece is over there. That piece right there. That piece fit inside of this piece, and we had to prise it out. It was kind of crazy. And you can't really see much because we got this pulley back on, but it was right back behind this. And so those were the big things we needed to get done. Water pump and those two seals were leaking. So now I'm going to start putting everything else back together. I think my next step is to get not hit my head on the way out here, is to get that fan shroud and the fan back in there. I think I'm gonna have, that way we took it out, that's gonna have to basically sit inside of that, and I hope I can do that myself. Could be a little interesting, but we'll give it a shot. I got the shroud kind of in, and I took that silver piece off the fan and got it kind of started with some bolts and took the bolts off, and then I'm going to try to get the fan up under here, but I was getting a little frustrated and sweaty, so I decided to stop and transition to something else. So just took this piece off. This is what goes over the thermostat, so that's what you're seeing right here is the thermostat. And there's some lint right there. I don't want that to get in here. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit and then replace the thermostat. Hoping I can just get under here and get this old thermostat out of here. Maybe need a little screwdriver. That's what I needed. It wasn't, we don't know that it was sticking, but we figure probably it was original and easy to replace. So there's the old one. There went the old one, and here's the new one. So I'm gonna get that face cleaned up just a little bit more, and then pop her back in. What's it look like in there? I can't see it. New one going in. All right. Okay, got it. All right, thermostat is good. Now I guess I gotta go back to the fan. Well, thermostat was easy. Fan, not so easy. I also forgot to do something. Real convenient. This right here needs to go on first. Around the shaft where the fan goes. And you can see I've taken everything out. I've also put a little bit of foam to protect that radiator because I don't want to booger it up with the fan. I'm gonna need some help on this one because that's heavy and awkward, and there's just no way to get. I just can't reach through that shroud very good. And if I get the fan on, then I can't get the shroud on without messing with dropping the radiator, and I don't want to do that. So I put that aluminum piece back on. I had to hammer it back in. There was no way I was going to be able to get that fan on that piece. I thought it would be easier, and yes, it was easier to get the fan inside of here without that on, but there's no way I was going to be able to get that on there. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm almost out of time. So I got to go home. I'm just gonna have to get lucky. Maybe, because I can't see anything. All right. I'm struggling here. Dang it. The tools I need are scattered. Oh no, I lost it. Come on now. All right, let's do this. Stay. No. I don't know why this is so difficult. Stay. Thank you, Jesus. All right. Got these on. Need to tighten them up now. And they're 15. Not 13. There's lots of 15s, 13s, and 18s. And 10s. So, just bouncing around between all the kinds. And my foam is falling. I'll go ahead and put this on. I don't want to make it, I don't want to be impossible to get this stuff off once I get the fan, the shroud in here. So this obviously is way easier, but I'm hoping it's not going to make it harder to get everything in. Although it doesn't stick out further than this, which is in the way, and this, which has to be on there now. So I'm thinking that I just can't remember how we did this, in what order. So, of course, my impact is on the other side. $15. I'll probably need that 13 on the other side of the stripper now that I put it down over here. Good. I'm at a stopping point on the stripper for now, so I'm gonna come over and I cut all these pieces of steel for the bonnets over there, and so I'm gonna mark the holes, punch them, and maybe drill them. See what time it is. Got him done. I don't have time to drill him. I gotta go. Got some family stuff to do this afternoon. Actually, we're going out of town for 2 nights, I believe. So I'll be back whenever I'm back. We'll continue with the stripper project. It's getting close. We got one more seal to change on the hydrostat up a little bit closer to the front. And then I think I'm gonna make a deal on those parts with that other farmer. He got me the prices yesterday, and so I've been trying to kind of brainstorm on what to do on that. One of the things is these filler plates. These are the big ones. I need the small ones like what Dad has. And so those plates are like 4 inches wide. So like half of the width of one of those. So each plate, and I need 2 plates between each row unit. So I need 12 plates. The price from Deere is $59 for plate steel, like thin, 1/8 inch, not even 1/8 inch, maybe. Yeah, I don't know, but thin. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm gonna make my own. So that's one thing I'm not gonna buy from him. What I'm gonna probably buy is his auger and his couplers. So short auger, short couplers, and so I'm just waiting back for one more price for one more thing to compare, and then I'll get those things. I can get the row units put on. But keep watching. We're gonna get this stripper knocked out, and then we got some rain coming. Hopefully this weekend. We get some really good chances. I don't know the amounts necessarily, but the best chances, because we've had no chances. So really, any chance is the best chance we've had in 2 months. So I mean, we're really excited. Hope to get some rain. What's that gonna do for the cotton? Don't know. We'll find out. But I'm hoping that we'll be able to strip some cotton this year. And so we're getting this thing ready, and we're gonna do it. So thanks for watching. If you're gonna farm it.